Stand on there.
Anybody else for banana that hasn't got?
Yes. So the saga begins with a banana.
Anybody else for banana?
Oh, where are we?
Xining.
And where are we heading?
Uzbekistan. We're in Xining, the capital of Qinghai province.
We're leaving the airport now. It's raining a bit. Ooh.
Very similar to rock bunting, orange on the belly. I'll wait till this vehicle's here before I sing.
This is the main road from Beijing to Lhassa. Hotel. There's a pink-tailed bunny in there somewhere. Very, very tough bird.
Up that slope there, there's been a few things jumping around there.
Scanning for the ground jay. William Griffin. Here we are having breakfast on the way to the pass. Mr. Liu is doing fried egg sandwiches. The weather does not look that great outside. You want to do pictures there?
Don't get self-conscious.
Noodles for breakfast.
Just ignore this video camera in your left.
The rest of the group highly entertained. 14,495, height of Mount Whitney. We're at the pass, and it's actually supposed to be 4,499, so we're a little bit off here. Almost 15,000 feet. Looking at a bright-winged red star up there. You saw the male snowfinch? Excellent. Really watching Zorro.
We'll never watch something else, but close enough.
In Chinese.
Yeah, they are. Stop playing with the food, I'm trying to.
Size of the Rufus tailed rockthrush and using her computer for about an hour.
They clearly
I
couldn't
had a
sleep.
fairly broken sleep.
Yeah. Well, if you stop mammals getting on the rail track, isn't it? And stop snow getting on as well. I wonder what they've got stashed under that. Or maybe I just shouldn't even wonder. Something pretty subtle about the terrain that then.
Gazelle up there.
You got one of you. Two birds on the deck out there. What the hell are they? Another gazelle coming up by the double telegraph poles in front here. One either side. Two more gazelles there.
Close.
Yeah, pretty close. And the pylon line here. More or less.
So far.
Up the buzzard here.
Yeah, must be right, yeah.
Is that your book?
Yeah.
Before 80%. BC. Mainly country in China at that time.
Yeah.
Before it's getting, later it's getting unified.
Yeah.
Something.
And
Burl yaks
other things as well. Oh, hey, big truck there. Big
accident.
truck collision. This guy's circumventing it in the fall.
And this is the
This will be snow.
headwaters of the Yangtze River.
Yangtze, yeah.
Here's the Yangtze River right here. Train, we're stopped temporarily here. Very lovely cuisine.
Radical, yes. Okay.
Yeah, I bet they do.
We're at the Tibetan border.
Was another mountain quail because it was a different race than the mountain quail, because that was the only one.
Spanish pronunciation is a little more straightforward than French.
Sorry. Break up the melody for a minute.
And our hotel in Lhassa. We're going along our way here. Okay.
Pilgrimage road. So many people, Tibetan people make a pilgrimage every day. So about 3-4 times around.
So many of these folks are doing a pilgrimage.
Yeah, you are following the Buddha. And also they use the prayer wheel and the praying beads. Count them, mantra and they turn the, prayer wheel. Yeah, so every time when they go to pilgrimage, they turn clockwise.
Close enough. No, that's fine. I'm going to get the Portola in it as well. Oh, Andrew's gone away. You can't. Oh, no, it's not gone.
Under religious. Yeah, because the great fifth Dalai Lama, mostly great fifth Dalai Lama in 17th century built it, and the 18th century number 7th Dalai Lama, Gelsen Gyatso, more constructed, become a present size of the Portola. So from 7th century until 17th century, Portola is more like castle or fortress. Yeah, because the great fifth Dalai Lama united Tibet country and built the Portola Palace and set up the local government. Yeah, and united, peaceful united. Yeah.
And the red part is religious, and the white part is
more political, because the reception room of the Dalai Lama.
I see.
Also, the Portola is a winter palace or winter residence of the Dalai Lama. Because also, there are 2 kilometers west of Portola, there was a summer palace, which is the Nobulinga, the jewelry garden. Yeah. So summertime, because slowly we're going to reception of the Dalai Lama.
Are there any government offices in?
Then minerals, jewelries, they painted, from Himalaya or Tibetan Plateau. Turquoise, coral, and amber, pearl, gold, silver.
This is a guardian.
Just the north.
This is a new section of Lhassa, 50, 60 years old.
Well, I get them free if I didn't use them if they want them back.
This lake was dug out to provide material for the Portola. That's a 3,000 room hotel over there.
There behind. Wonder why that lady's taking a photograph of the back of Chang's head. I don't think tourists are allowed in here in the morning.
Water-driven trail wheels.
Very good, man. Very clear. Very clear.
We saw the painting ones, but these are.
Pick it up tomorrow.
But you can't do that.
Need to move on, sir. You wouldn't do the dishes with that one, would you?
The monks are debating philosophy.
It's really pretty.
That's yak butter over there.
In the
They're standing in line to go into the temple, and then the people walking to the left are pilgrims.
That's not bad at all.
Another garden here. All the pilgrims. And what is that for?
That is for 5,000 birds. Well done.
For whom? For me!
Yeah, correct.
Thank you all very much.
Good.
Good count?
Yeah.
Your usual count, would you say?
It's about that.
Yeah.
It's around. Good.
Good count?
Yeah.
If you're leaving at 5:30 and you're in a room on your own, we need to take our luggage to Chow's room, which will be open from 5:20, Mr. Chow. 5:20 bags will be at your room, and we need to take all of the pack stuff, all of the picnic supplies from your room.
Flooding as a result of the big rain the last few days. Haystacks. Great Walls up there. Right. This is the road we went down in hopes, a couple of miles, in hopes of finding the Ibis bill. So far, no luck.
Using her computer for about an hour.
They clearly
I
couldn't
had a fairly
sleep.
broken sleep.
Yeah.